In this video, we're going to be talking about the EcoFlow 160 watt solar panel, how to install it, how to go ahead and connect it to a River 2 Pro, and we're also going to talk about the River 2 Pro, and how to properly angle the solar panel at the sun to get the most efficiency possible coming up. So this right here is the EcoFlow 160 watt 3-panel solar panel. It's IP68 waterproof and dustproof for you, so you can have it outside in case it does rain. Today it's a beautiful day. I do have some cloud cover. I do have some blue skies coming my way, so I'm super excited about that. So we're going to get some beautiful sun hitting our solar panels today. So this here actually has a built-in solar angle guide. If yours doesn't, there's a couple different options. You can actually get a clip-on one. I'll go ahead and put it down in the description below, along with all these other products too, if you want to check them out. But there's also another way that you can also do it too, and that's by adding on like your phone, and you can literally just put it against your solar panel to go ahead and see how the sun is actually hitting your solar panel. If you have a nice even shadow, then you're good to go. Like right now, the sun is going back behind those clouds again. Right now, I'm still getting some solar power out of it, but let's go ahead and take a look at the River 2 Pro real quick. And this right here is the EcoFlow River 2 Pro, 768 watt hour capacity built in. It does have an LFP battery. It does have 4 AC outlets that are 800 watts. It can boost up to 1600 watts of power for you. 3 USB-A's, a USB-C that's actually bi-directional, so we can charge it up this way. And also has fast charge if you plug it into your wall, 0 to 100% in about 70 minutes. And it can do up to a 220 watt solar panel. Today we're going to do the 160s right here with it. The 160s are also high efficiency, up to 25%. They do also include the cord that you need to go ahead and plug into like your River 2 or the Delta series with it. So we'll go ahead and undo our cords here real quick. And this is pretty simple. I mean, there's only one way that these really go. They are listed as positive and negatives on here. So the negative, the black is going to go in the black here for the negative, just like that. And then we're going to go ahead and put the positives together here real quick. So you have your female and your male connectors. You'll hear the little click. That's all you need. Make sure this is clicked in all the way real quick too. It is. Then on the back right here of the River 2, you're going to find this little orange section. This is the River 2 Pro. And all we do now is just plug this here in, and that's it. Then you just want to make sure it's kind of out of the way. You really don't have any kind of shadows going on. And then after a couple seconds, usually about 30 seconds or so, it's going to recognize the solar panel, and now we're pulling in. Now this is a 160 watt solar panel with it, and right now we're pulling in about 123 watts of power going into our River 2 Pro. With this, we're going to check out the efficiency up here with the solar angle guide itself. We're right on the edge of it, so I'm just going to go ahead and adjust it slightly here, and that is a little bit better. Yeah, so we're now in the 126, 130s that we're pulling out of the 160 watt solar panel coming in from that beautiful sun right there for it. So that's how you go ahead and connect the 160 watt solar panel into a River 2 Pro with it, and also make sure the solar panel is properly angled for you. If you guys enjoyed this video here, make sure you guys give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. If you guys want to check out all these products, I have the link down in the description down below, and we'll see you guys on the next one.